Hey everybody, welcome to Dumb Investing, the dumbest investing channel on all YouTubes. For those of you that are just joining us, here's what we do on Dumb Investing. We roll random dice, we pick random stock, and we build a portfolio with randomly picked stocks, and we then check out how we're doing. So it's about to get dumb up in here. Let's go roll some dice. This is how we do it. All right, random.org. We grab a dice. Says 5, random stock picker. We click it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. First stock we're going to look at tonight, MXL. All right, we roll that dice again. Random.org. Says a 6. Holy cow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. VEV is our second stock. Last stock of the night. All right. And we got a 2. 1, 2. OVB. All right. So if Harry, my partner, was here, he would be using Robin, or no, he would be using Webull. Webull is a trading platform that Dumb Investing uses. Since he's not here, I use the Yahoo. That's what we're going to be stuck with. So we're going to learn a little bit about these 3 stocks tonight. We're going to go invest our hard-earned retirement money in it tomorrow. So the first one, Overlay Shares Core Bond ETF. This doesn't sound very exciting at all because it's said bonds. And oh yeah, look, in the last 5 years, it's done nothing. All right, we're not even going to do our homework because that is boring and we don't do boring. We do dumb. VEV. Vicinity Motor Corp. Are they a car dealer? Who are these guys? Let's see who these guys are. What have they done? Wow. Okay, so they didn't really, well, I mean, you could say they did experience a COVID dip of 50%, but man, have they just skyrocketed back. Who are these people? What do they do? They design, manufacture, and sell Vicinity branded mid-size multi-purpose transit vehicles for public and commercial enterprises. So basically buses and stuff like that. So infrastructure plan comes out. Probably going to be buying buses. There's probably going to be a bunch of money in there for smart buses and stuff like that. So do these guys clean diesel, gas, and CNG? I would assume maybe CNG might qualify under clean initiatives and stuff like that. Did they already get it? Did they get a buy the rumor, sell the, or buy the news, sell the, no, buy the rumor, sell the news? Yeah, I don't know. Man, if they just skyrocketed though. They were down, they hit a low of 50 cents. They're at $4. That's 800% increase. Good Lord. And look, they were as high as $7. I don't even know, I can't even do the math on that. I don't know. Man, oh man, clean buses, maybe 139. Are they making money? Let's see. We don't know. We don't know if they're making money. Why don't we have financials? That is strange. We're going to have to read text. All right, total revenue, 18 was 70 million, 19, 24 million. That's a little worrisome that they had a huge dip from 18 to 19. And then 19 to 20 actually went up a little bit. Why were buses bought when everybody was working from home? I don't know. That is so strange. But do they make money? EBITDA, they do not. Why is their EBITDA a dash? Oh, because they, all right. Yeah, they lost money the last 2 years. 3.5 and $4.2 million. So they're not making money. They made money, let's see. Yeah. At 70 million in revenue, they made some money. Man, normalized EBITDA. No. Yeah, man, they're not doing good right now. I don't know. Let's see who else we got. All right. What is MXL? MXL. Max Linear. Max Linear. Let's see what they do. Big market cap, $5 billion. Wow. COVID dip, just like everybody else. They're 6 times where they were in the COVID dip. Holy crap. How does that happen? Is that buying the peak? Are they, what the heck? Who are these people? Oh, and they just came off of their worst year ever. Well, that's good to know. All right. So they turned a corner this year, and they're actually, even though their revenue is not going up huge, they're making a little bit of money finally. What do they do? Radio frequency, high performance analog mixed signal communication systems on chip solutions for the connected home, wired, wireless. Well, that stuff is probably just going to keep growing and growing and growing, right? Yeah. All right. I think this is it. I think Harry would love smart home stuff, but holy cow, do I feel like we're buying them right at the peak. It just seems crazy. They have a whole lot of volume, which means we can probably get a fractional. We'll probably end up, buying a third of a share. I don't know how much more they have to go. People are saying to buy it. The experts, anyways. Well, I think that's it, guys. We're going to get MXL tomorrow morning. Hot diggity. Let's go check out a portfolio that was built by picking stocks that same exact way. So you guys may remember the last few days, we've had some pretty horrible days. Let's see, what are we on? This is our watch list. All right, so today's biggest winners, look at that. Let's see how much green. Whole lot of green today, very little red. We'll go through our biggest losers first. Range Resources, we just picked them up, had good feelings about them, down 1% today. Not horrible. I mean, it's down 1%, but it is what it is. VTV Therapeutics, very strange. For the day, they were down 88%. After hours, up 8%. How crazy is that? I would assume that a bunch of news came out on these guys. So they either had earnings or they announced somebody's probably joining their board or something like that. I don't know. We'd have to go and check them out and see what's going on with them. All right. GenCore down 0.3. Nothing happened there. Don't really remember exactly who they were. Valley National, Fortive. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 5 losers for the day. The markets were up big, so I was hoping we were big. We got a whole lot of green. And man, our top 5 green, Centennial Resources, 8%. ProShares Ultra Russell, which the Russell was up today, so we would assume this is up 6%. That's good. BurgerFi. You guys already know my feelings on that, but we own it. We wish them all the best. They're up. Pebblebrook is up. So we're up 8, 5, 5, 5, 5. Not a bad day. Not a bad day for the dumb investors. A lot of green today. We'd love to see that. At least we're participating in the market, which is awesome. Let's see how this account did. All right. So we beat the market. All these light blues, everywhere the dark blue is over it, we've beat the market now since the 23rd. Up until today, the market reacted better today than we did. But, you win some, you lose some. Look at that. 2 nice green days for dumb investing. That's good to see. It's good to see green bars that are pretty high because we've had some horrible red bars. Holy cow. So today we made $28, which is awesome. It brings our total losses down to 6%. That is losses of what we're holding. You guys know ultimately we want to see this thing positive. So who are we sitting on doing good? Worry Bank. They have been in our top 5 for a long time. They have taken over that number 1 perch. On Assignment has been floating all around, but it's nice to see them in top 5, up 15%. Park City Group at 10%. Falcon Materials, those are relatively new, at 9%. D Now at 7.5%. So a lot of these guys are inching back up. We're loving this. We're loving to see that. We are probably going to start putting some rules in place to where we're a little bit more active as traders versus investors, where we may put on here, if we hit 25% for a day or two, we may want to sell at 25. And on the flip side, I think we're going to draw a line in the sand at 10. And if they're under 10 for 2 days, 3 days in a row, something like that, we're probably going to talk about getting rid of them. because then we wouldn't have these low hangers down here like green line. Total bottom of the barrel down almost 39%. We even doubled up on them when they had a bad day because we had some faith in them. But yeah, the heck with that. Ideomics, they've been down here for a long time. BurgerFi has been down here for a long time. This Brazilian Bull down here for a long time. Butterfly Networks, we doubled down on them. Man, so our bottom five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, 38, 38, 30. Just ugly, ugly stuff. One of them that we did sell out of when we were talking was when Zillow started going down. We got out quick, and it has gone down another, from where we got out, it's probably gone down another 100% of where we got out. So it continues to drop tremendously. So yeah, so we've got a lot of losers on here, but we like looking at the winner side. We've got probably 50-50 right now, winners to losers. And, you know, we're going to try to keep picking good ones, and hopefully we'll start dumping some of these. We should just go in here and just wholesale dump a bunch, but we have faith that the market's probably going to come back. I don't know. Today was a green day. Does it tell me what the indexes did? No, it doesn't. I'd have to poke around through here and see. But yeah, today was a green day across the board. So that's how we do it on Dumb Investing. Hopefully you guys get a little bit something out of this. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. And as always, we'll be back here tomorrow. We're going to roll some more dice. Appreciate you joining us. Have a great night.